Hi guys, this is Ishita and today I'm going to be baking a cake. Let's quickly look at the ingredients. That's 1 cup of wheat, 2 eggs, milk powder, half a spoon of baking powder, that's cocoa powder, approximately 1 spoon, 1.5. That's oil, you can take any oil, that's water. And this is jaggery, so use any kind of nuts. Once you cut them in small pieces, make sure that you coat them with the atta so that the nuts don't sink to the bottom of the cake and they don't burn. I'm going to be also adding chocolates. I'll show you how. So let's mix the dry ingredients, and for that you need this. This is a strainer. Whatever strainer you have, you can use. Make sure you put all the atta through this, and I'm also going to put the milk powder and the cocoa powder and the baking powder through this. Now you mix all of this together and make sure you mix it really well. Okay guys, so I've thought of adding 2 more things. First is the vanilla extract, and the second thing is freshly brewed coffee from the mocha pot. This is the mocha pot and the coffee is ready. So now we're going to mix the eggs. So I've already added 3 to 4 drops of vanilla extract. I'm going to add the jaggery, which is melted, and the coffee from the mocha pot. It's already filtered. So I'm going to add the oil and the dry ingredient. So this is how the batter should look like. I have a parchment paper, so I just put oil and I'm going to put the batter on. So it's important to shake it like this so that if there are any air bubbles, it will come out. Then you can add all the toppings that you want. I've added chocolate, also dark chocolate. Add these. You need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees. Put this in the oven for I think around 25 minutes. I would advise you to check, especially if you're baking for the first time. So it's been 30 minutes. The cake is ready, and let me show you. Yummy! I cannot wait to have it, but not yet. I still have to put a layer of chocolate and something on the top to make it a little more interesting. So the cake is ready. Anything on top and just make it look pretty. So this is the cake, and it's my mother-in-law's birthday, and this cake is for her, and I'm super excited. So okay, it's 12 almost. I'm going to go. Bye.